What's up, guys? Doing the team random for break number 249. It is a two-box mixer for 17-18 Ultimate and 15-16 Upper Deck Black. We've got 30 spots. We're going to go 3 times, and then we're going to go 3 times on the teams as well. Whoever gets Minnesota gets Vegas. So it said in the thread. Vegas will go to whoever has the Wild. So I'm going to scroll down, post live in the thread. It was posted at 7:18. It is 7:19, just changed. We're going to do the teams first. We're going 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, copy the timestamp. Oh shit, that's supposed to be names. It was posted at 7:19. It is 7:19. Back over to random.org, third and final. I'm going to copy the names over into a spreadsheet and then copy the timestamp. This was posted at 7:19. It is 7:19. So now we're going to do the teams. We're going to go 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, copy the timestamp, post it over into the thread. Go like this first, teams. It was posted at 7:20. It is 7:20. Back over to random.org, third and final for the teams. There we go. Copy and paste this over into the spreadsheet, and I'll get the list up in just a moment. Copy the final timestamp. Post it over into the thread. It was posted at 7:20. It is 7:20. There we go. Thanks, guys. I'm going to get this list posted in the thread for you guys to check out. Here's a quick view, but it will be posted in a thread. Good luck on the break.